How to create faceless YouTube channels ID there. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, but don't know where to begin, I've got some great ideas for you. Today, I'll be sharing 5 creative ways to create faceless YouTube channels. 1. Choose a unique niche. First and foremost, think about what your channel is going to focus on. Is it game, lifestyle, travel, or something else entirely? By choosing a niche, you're more likely to attract a specific audience and stand out from the crowd. 2. Think of a catchy title. Having a good title is crucial to attracting viewers. Think of a title that represents your channel's content and is easy to pronounce and remember. Avoid using overly creative or complex titles, as they might confuse your audience. 3. Make your channel visually appeal. Visuals play a significant role in YouTube's algorithm. Make sure your channel homepage is clean, organized, and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics to make your channel stand out. 4. Create engaging and informative content. Your content should be unique, entertaining, and informative. Share valuable information that your audience would enjoy and that you're passionate about. Make sure to maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. 5. Promote on social media. Don't forget to promote your channel on social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and other relevant platforms. This will help you reach a wider audience and potentially gain followers. Remember, the key to creating a successful, faceless YouTube channel is to be unique, consistent, and passionate about your content. Good luck on your YouTube journey.